So now we will be learning about the Kotlin login application. In this application we have a username text box, a password text box and a button. If in this we are writing some username, say for an example I have written test. Password, it's also a text box, we have written test. It will validate that whether the username and the passwords are correct or not on a click of this button login. Okay, we have checked invalid credential because the username and the password that we have defined in the code does not match. So what is the correct username and password?
Admin and password.
Yes, admin and password. Admin and password. Login successful. So now we will design this application using the layout and the code. Okay, see how the code works. First we will learn how the layout is working. How to create a layout? Just go to the app, right click, new, XML, layout. Give any name to the layout. Okay, and finish. We will finish. We will get the layout file in the layout folder. Okay, now how to put the element? Just go to this palette, select the views that we want. What we want is we want a username and a password. That means two text box. So select the text view, drag it over here, select the text box, drag it over here. Now what we want? We want the button. Click on the buttons, select the button and put on. Okay. Now this blue screen, green screen is basically a blueprint. It is showing us that which type of the element it is and how it will behave. We will click on this username, and as we have used in this component tree, we can check that we have used a constant layout. What is the constant layout? It is used for designing the complex application where we have the option to put the element in a relative manner and also in a relation with another component. How we are doing? We have put this text box, another text box is password, and this is a login button. Okay, how we have designed? Click on this username and we can see that there is a margin of 16 from left and right and 32 at the top. We can check this in the XML. How? Click on this code window. Here we have the edit text. It has the margin start 16, margin end 16. That means left and right. Top 32. Okay. And the hint is username. That means it is displaying this name over here as a username. As we are using the constant layout, so we have to give the constant parameters as constant end to end of whom parent. It means it will be aligned to a parent. Start parent. Top of which parent? Because there is nothing at the top of this username. Okay. Second one is a edit text. Here what we have done, the ID is edit text password. Same, width is 0, height is rep content, start 16, end 16, top 24. So we have the gap of 24 from in between. End parent, start parent, but top of bottom of whom? This username @edit text user. This button same, the bottom of this password. Clear now? Now we will go to the code. How we have accessed? We have used this r.layout.layout. We have accessed that layout file over here. Now there were two edit text in one button. We have mapped them with the variable username edit text, password edit text with the username, password, and button. This val means we have declared a variable which is immutable. It will only check the value once. It will not update the value during the program execution. Okay. We have assigned one click listener to the login button dot set click listener. Username and password, we have fetched the text from the text box by using username edit text dot to string. We have converted the text which we have got. Okay. Now if condition username equals to admin and password equals to admin. If it is successful, it is true, it will display a message by using the toast. How? Toast dot make text, current context, message and the length for which this message should be displayed. Again we will run this application. Okay. See this? How the application is working. Put some username. Hello. Some password. Hi. They are correct or not? They are wrong. Click invalid credential. Right username is admin. And the password is password. Click on that. Login successful. We will change the UI. How? Go to this. I want this login button to be spread up for a whole screen parent. How we can do this? Very nice. Match parent. Click on this. Attributes. The width is match parent. Okay. Save this. Rerun this on the application window. See the output. Login is spread. Clear? Everybody